Hello and welcome back to Luxury Beauty with me. I'm Kanisha and today we are going to be using the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm set. I'm going to be using the travel size products and of course they're available in full size. But this is mainly for those of us that are over 50 and maybe wanting some advanced skincare. I usually recommend to that age group, but also some people that are in their mid-40s, late 40s want something with a little extra punch. So this resets and repairs your skin. It targets the multiple reasons why skin ages with a set that addresses wrinkles, uneven skin tone, firmness, and more. And I'm going to be doing the daytime regimen right now. And step one, we're going to cleanse with the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Foaming Cleanser. And it really does not take much at all. And get a little water here. It gently sweeps away complexion dulling impurities while leaving skin feeling deeply cleansed, revitalized, and hydrated. This is like the best cleanser I've ever found. It takes just a tiny bit. As you see, it lathers up very well. It's very easy to use too much. And I just get it everywhere. Don't get it in your eyes, but I like to get it everywhere. And rinse that off. I usually have the water running, but I didn't want that in the background. So I just put some water in my sink. With the stopper. And that way I can get all of it off without causing too much of a commotion in the background. Okay, and get that off. Step back so you can see. I also get the décolleté area. Okay, now I am going to lift with TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Advanced Lifting Serum. This doesn't take much at all either. I usually 1, 2, maybe 2, 3 drops. This is going to reclaim my triangle of youth and leave skin feeling softer, smoother, and more moisturized. And I just dab this everywhere. And of course, we always say apply in an up and out direction. And then a lot of times, here's a beauty hack. I not only just rub it in, I kind of pat it in, press it into the skin. Well, a lot of people ask me, really? You were 56? Shoot, at the time of this video, it's what, December 2022 right now? May 2023. I will be 57, okay? All right, now, step 3, we're gonna use the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Day Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Okay, now I'm in Vegas right now, and of course it's Christmas time. See, it doesn't take that much. I just dot this everywhere. It's Christmas time, but it's dark already. It's like it just now hit 5 p.m. So it's dark already, but I like to put the day cream on because I use it as a base for my makeup. And I dot this on. Of course, it's taking a little longer because I explained it, but this morning regimen could be done in like, I'm willing to say like 5 minutes, 7 minutes, up and out. Get the neck, behind the ears, press into your forehead. Depending on what my skin wants to do at any given day, I have an oily T-zone, which means my nose is going to get oily later. So a lot of times I will skip putting sunscreen directly on my nose. If I'm dry in this area, I'll put a little bit there. And that's about it. Because I already know later on I'm going to be blotting oil from my nose. All right, now we're ready for the last step. I usually take a warm cloth and I wipe off my fingers because the sunscreen can irritate the eyes. And the last step is the eye cream. I take the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream. And of course, like the rest of the products, it doesn't take much. Oh, that's probably too much. I can suck some back in the tube here. Okay. And if it is too much, I'll just take the excess and put like on my cuticles, on my elbows or something like that. All right. I go over the eyelids, first finger, second finger, that way I can control how much I'm putting there. This will also act as a base for my eye makeup. As you can see, I have had my eyebrows lasered off because I got so tired of trying to shape them every day with a razor. Nobody's got time, well, I don't have time to be shaping eyebrows every day. So I got them lasered off and I just draw them on every day with either eyeshadow or waterproof eyeliner. I'll do some videos on that. How to create an eyebrow. That's it for the eye renewal cream. It targets visible deep lines, dark circles, sagging bags, and upper eyelid droop. And like I said, the excess I'll just put on my elbows if there is any. Press the rest of that into my skin. And face is ready for the day, whether I wear makeup or not. Thanks.